Alright, this is the 350RR-S, which is the 4-stroke. Alright, now I know I haven't, it's been a few bikes since I've been on the 430, but this doesn't feel any lighter to me than the 430 did. It's definitely a smoother power, longer gears, longer rev out, suspension really soft. You can still loft the wheel if you need to. I feel like this would be a good, like, maybe somebody's first serious woods bike. But I don't really feel like it's enough for me or what I like. Not saying it won't do everything fine. I just really like that grunt when I want it. And I also know that the excess power in stock form leads to excess longevity. Because everything you do, you're lower RPM. Not to mention you got bigger parts. Like racing, maybe I'd do a little better on that 300RR 2-stroke. But I could definitely ride this for longer, and I would enjoy cruising on this more. I haven't ridden a beta yet that didn't handle good. Been to about half of them. It's my favorite spot right here, guys. Double down it. Nice, got like a big braking bump there. You can like, yep, I'm going over. Off the trail. This is the only one I haven't been able to stop yet right there. Maybe it's because I was getting a little confident and going faster.